Good day everyone. Introducing you to the Klinger Oscillator on our new strategy trading with binary options. Klinger Oscillator detects the short-term fluctuations. The Klinger Oscillator shows the difference between two moving averages, which are based on more than price. We have to watch for divergence on the indicator to signal potential price reversals. Let's see how to use the strategy. It is good to trade with 5 minutes time frame. Let's keep the settings to default settings. With the fast period of 34, slow period of 55, source HLC3 and signal line period to 13. Okay, let's start trading. Look at USD/JPY, making the fast period to cross below the slow period. Let's trade into it.